Well, it's November 7th at Citadel Landing Cellars, and today it's time to move the Merlot that's sat in these tanks since it was pressed last week, or about 2 weeks ago. Anyhow, we're going to move the Merlot into the cellar, where it's going to sit for another week or probably another 2 to 3 weeks to clarify, and then it's going to go into the oak barrel. So the idea with moving wine is to beat it up as little as possible. So this system works on gravity. So as you can see, the tanks of Merlot are sitting up there on the stairs, on the little platform. Now what's going to happen, I'm going to open that valve, and the wine is going to flow by gravity through these lines, down through that port, which will go through my utility room in the basement, and along the hallway to the cellar, and into a tank down there. So we've checked everything, and now it's just a matter of opening the port, opening the valve, and here we go. So, as you can see, the wine is traveling down the line and going into the basement. So, let's run down there, take a look, make sure everything's working properly. You can see the line going into the cellar. We'll follow it back to the source. Okay, so you can't see in there that well, but that's the mechanical room, so the line comes down through there, down the hallway, and into the cellar. So this has the advantage of not being pumped, and you can see down into the receiving tank that comes our Merlot for 2010. So that's the system. We'll move the first tank, and then I'll switch the lines over to our second tank, and we'll fill that, and then in a number of weeks, once I think it's clarified enough, it'll get pumped. It'll be the only time that it's actually pumped into an oak barrel. So that's our Merlot.